Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix iPhone not charging. So if you have noticed that your iPhone is not charging properly or if having any issues with the charging, then there could be different reasons behind it. In most of the cases, this issue is because of any hardware or physical issue. First, your mobile phone battery is not working properly. In that case, you have to just simply get it checked by the expert or by the team of iPhone diagnostics. And the other thing that you can do is try to get a good quality C port charger, like a data cable that is original. You can just simply get it from the Apple store. Make sure it is original. If it is original, then it will charge your mobile phone properly. Or there could be a reason there's dust in your mobile phone's charging port. For that, you can get these tools. These are really good. You just have to simply use it to clean your charging port, because if there's any dust, the wire does not get plugged in the right way and it does not charge. Or you can just simply try to get into the good charger or the adapter. Once you just simply get all these things, you will see your mobile phone will be charging properly. So I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.